In a previous implementation of the system, we used the Xbox controller connected directly to a laptop in order to control a simulated drone. You have a link to that demonstration in the video description. Now, we use an ELRS connection to send the Xbox controller commands from one laptop to another. The Xbox controller is connected to the right laptop, where an application developed in LabWindows CVI gets the information and sends it through the ExpressLRS transmitter to an ExpressLRS receiver. From here, a node is developed in a robot operating system 2 that gets the information and forwards it to the second node that controls the simulated drone. And now, a short demonstration. Firstly, we start up the transmitter program. We select the port of the transmitter and it starts transmitting data. Now, using the controller, we can make the drone fly. By pressing Y, it will take off.
Take off flight mode. Off-board flight mode.
And after it reaches a designated altitude, we get control over it. We can control its rotation, yaw. We can also control its altitude and position. After the drone has completed its maneuverings, we can make it land by pressing the A key.
Land flight mode. Disarmed. Hold flight mode.